want to practice how to make simple sandwich.
Let's go make a simple sandwich with ours.
Let's go! Step 1. First of all, pick one piece of bread into the plate. Add one piece of egg and add fried egg into the bread. Then add some cheese. If you don't like cheese, don't add it on the egg. You can use mozzarella cheese or sliced cheese or cheddar cheese. Then slice the tomatoes in several parts. If you don't like tomato, you can replace it with other vegetable.
Put some tomato slice on the cheese. Pour some chili sauce. If you don't like spicy, you can using tomato sauce or mayonnaise. Next, put a slice of bread on the top. And cut in the triangle shapes. After that, garnish with tomato and chili sauce. Garnish with tomato and chili sauce. Then put on the plate. Finally, serve it. This is it.
Very delicious. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our video.
Thank you so much and see you in other video. Bye.